Hey guys, today we're gonna make Jello shots. So we're just opening the packet and putting it in the bowl. I use the brand Royal Jello. And now we're putting in 2 cups of boiling hot water. Make sure you stir the contents so that everything dissolves. And now we're gonna add 1 cup of cold water. And for the moment you've all been waiting for, we're gonna add 1 cup of vodka. After making this, I did realize that that was a bit too strong for me. So when I make this next time, I think I'm just gonna put 3/4 of the cup for vodka. So now I'm gonna pull out my ice cube trays and I'm just gonna pour it all in there. I'm gonna first get a ladle so that I don't spill everywhere and just pour it all in there. So I made 2 ice cube trays of this and then I put the rest in a small bowl. I put it in the fridge and kept it in there for about 5 hours, but I find it best to leave it in there overnight. So now I'm gonna put the tray on hot water for less than 5 seconds. If you put it on for longer, the Jello will melt. And now you're gonna cut out the shapes and take a shot and enjoy.